Welcome to my drawing tutorial. Let's learn to draw beautiful pictures together. Fun and easy. Let's start drawing with me.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man.
It's so beautiful drawing.
Make it a bold line.
This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old
Magic time.
played seven. He played knick-knack, give a dog a bone.
Let's put the color.
This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
It is so an amazing drawing. If you like this video, don't forget like, subscribe, share this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.
On my spot.